ting. Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Woo, woo, woo.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Woo, woo,
yeah. Bobby Valentino.
I get up on ya. Yeah. We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. Yeah. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing.
You know what I mean? Hey, hey. Like a cop call. Hey,
I make you say,
throwing the buck in the latest drop. I got stopped by a later cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler, sounding like a siren. Talking about, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I know she the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high, above the law, and she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about, yeah, yeah.
we can hear the angels calling us. We
Yeah.
can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make it body sing. I make it say,
Yeah, like a cop call. Yeah, hey.
I make it say.
And after we got done, I said, lady, what's your number? She said 911. Emergency only. Head doctor perform surgery on me. Yeah, and now I'm healed. I make her wear nothing but handcuffs and heels. Then I beat it like a cop. Find the king, baby, yeah, I beat it like a cop. Beat it like a cop. Ride the king, baby, say I beat it like a cop. But I ain't trying to be violent, but I do the time, but her love is timeless. Mrs. Officer, I know you wish your name was Mrs. Calder, huh? Like a cop call.
We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say,
Mrs. Officer, tell your lieutenant get them cuffs off for ya. I'm kid, my face on every wanted poster. I'm wanted by every lady cop all over. That ass so big, I catch a battery to hold you. Hair so big, you thought I told you pull it over. She pulled me over, pulled me out the Rover. Then she pulled me closer, threw me in back of the car, put me in handcuffs, start ripping my pants up. All you hear over the dispatcher is
when I get up all in ya, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say, maybe you can lock me up and throw away the key. Call your sergeant and tell him you can't finish your shift, cause it's on tonight. Breakfast in bed turns to breakfast in, and I can't wait to get home. I wanna do it all night long. We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say, if you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
Okay, I'm gonna give y'all the details on this wig real fast. Okay, this is a 5x5 closure wig. It is supposed to be HD lace, but it's definitely not HD lace. I did do this install glueless though, so it can't come off your head, and you can put it right here. You can bring it in the middle, you know, fix your part. It's supposed to come up, so bring it in the middle, fix your part. You can bring it all the way over there and, you know, just change your part back. But I did, however, want a deep side part. Y'all get the point. That's not where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to be right here. Yeah. Okay, I did, however, want a deep side part. Okay, so this is a 24 inch. I'm messing up. This is a 24 inch 5x5. Supposed to be HD, but it's definitely Swiss lace. 180 density. However, for $88, it's not bad at all. Okay, you could finesse anything. Definitely, most likely would have melted way better if it had glue on it or whatever. But it's just too hot. And I'm finna do another wig install. I'm literally finna go change my clothes and go do another wig install. So, yeah. Also, if y'all wanna know how to become a Amazon wig influencer, let me take that back. Amazon wig influencer. I am creating an ebook to teach y'all step by step, whole platform, even give y'all a few people to start off with, to text. And this company will be one of them. So y'all just let me know. Either in this video or my next week video, it will be in my description link. So I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Mwah.
Like a cop call.